Hello, in front of me I have Honor 400 Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset this device. Okay, so we have two methods how we can reset this device, and let me show you both of them. So let's begin with the simple restart from the settings. To do it we need to open up our settings. Now scroll down into the bottom and click on System and Updates, and now find Reset. In here, of course, we are interested in Reset Phone, but also in here we can reset all settings, and also we can reset network settings. So let's click on Reset Phone. In here you can see what will be deleted from your device. So basically remember that all of your data will be permanently lost. So, for example, if you want, you can create a backup if you are interested in restoring your data later. And now all you need to do is to simply tap on Reset Phone, follow the instruction on the screen. If you do everything properly, then your phone will go black. I mean, it will be turned off, then turn on again automatically. And the next thing you need to do is to simply set up your device. Also, performing the reset is good, for example, when you are planning to sell your phone into other person. So that's the thing you should do. But there's also the second option, which is from the recovery mode. To do it we need to first turn off our device. So let's tap power button and the volume up button, and let's click on power off. Okay. And now to get access into the recovery mode, we need to hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. So let's keep on holding both of those buttons. Okay, when Honor logo appeared, we can release a finger from the power button, but still hold the volume up. And now we are in the recovery mode. Now using the volume keys, we can move around this menu. Now we want to select clear data. Now confirm by clicking the power button. Now select factory reset. Click on the power button. Now we need to type the word yes using our keyboard. Now select again factory reset. And now the process has started, so we need to simply wait until it's finished. So it shouldn't take much time though. Okay, 100%. Now, click on back, select restart, tap power button, and now just like in the previous method, all you need to do now is to set up your device. Okay, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.